Hello viewers, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you yet another interesting video, this time on how to create Duo Labs and manage its storage. Okay, so first things first, in order to create Duo Labs, what you need to go do is go to security. I'm using my phone, I don't know how it is on other phones. So my phones you need to go to security, and on the bottom you will have an option to create Duo Labs, and it will give you a certain set of options. Only those apps can be enabled for dual apps. And I'm going to choose here Mulch. It is a browser that you can get from App Store called F-Droid. I will show you how on another video. So it has created successfully. It is a Chromium based apps. That is, you will have a Chrome like feel here. So I already have a browser here, Mulch. It is the installed one, it's the default one. So as you can see here, I have already opened certain apps here. Homepage device.org, and I've searched for Mozilla Firefox on DuckDuckGo. So here, if you go to history, so I have opened certain pages, right? So created dual app for this browser because it's like assume that it is like Chrome, and you want to create dual apps for Chrome because you like Chrome, but you use everything under one app. So you need a for work purpose you need one browser, and for personal use you need one browser. Then it won't be convenience, and even if you do so you will use another browser like Firefox also, and you won't get the same experience like uh, that you get in Chrome. So here I have opened dual apps, sorry, I have created dual apps for Mulch, and see, it is I am opening it for the first time, and it is asking me to finish the prerequisites. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm going to the top and clicking secure history. I don't find anything here, so it's a brand new app. So I'm going to hit like F-Droid. See, it is opening, and then I'm going to create another new tab, and I'm going to type what you can say Mozilla.org. See here, there are two tabs here, and if I go to history, you will see only these two apps, or sorry, three tabs open. So if I go to the settings of the first tab modes and access those app info section, you can see the storage. It has occupied 327 MB. That includes app size, user data, and cache. You can see the cache is 24.22 MB here. Whereas if I go to the dual app section here, oops, I'll press and hold. Here comes the app info section, and you can see here the storage. It says it is 305 MB. So it's a brand new app, and you can see the cache size here, it is 7.98 MB. So it is not the same, both are not the same. If you clear the cache for this app, I will clear the cache. It says proceed with it, yes, okay, and see the cache has been cleared, yes, okay. And when I go here, that is the default one, the primary one, you can see the cache is not disturbed here. So that dual apps has dual storage. It is a partition, it is separated by a partition. So I will show you another thing here. I have created dual apps for Firefox too. That is, in this section, I'm going to show you how to manage the dual app storage. Yes, you have storage for two different apps. One for primary, that is the internal share storage, and another is for dual app storage, shared storage. So I'm going to Firefox here, and I'm going to Google one of our favorite sites. On the home page, I'm going to press and hold the logo. It says save image. The image has been saved here. This is the primary one. Okay. Now I'm going to open the secondary one. That is the dual apps, which has been created from the primary app. I'm going to Mozilla site. If you feel it is tedious to wait, then you can skip by pressing the right arrow, as I'm not having the video editor here. So I'll go bottom and I will press and hold this photo and I will click save image. See, the image has been saved. Now here comes the part. When I go to the file manager here, okay, when I go to the file manager here, you have a, see, you can see here the image has been, the download section shows that two images has been downloaded here. You can access here, but in reality I will show it again. Sorry, if you go to the downloads, you have those two images here. One is from the, we have downloaded from the primary, sorry, secondary dual apps, and another one is from the primary one, that is the Google image. But both are saved in different folders, that's, sorry, different partitions. See, I will go to the folder here. As you can see on the top left, it says internal shared storage. Onto the left we have a down arrow. Okay, if you tap on it, you can see there is a section called storage for dual apps, and the dual apps files that you save will be stored under this section. So if I'm go to the, if I'm going to the download folder here in the internal shared storage space, you can see here the Google image we have downloaded just from the search engine. It is there. As you can see the date, it is says 26/4/24. We have downloaded just now, whereas on the same time and date we have downloaded the image from Mozilla Firefox website, an image, but you don't see it here because that resides inside the storage for dual app section. So this is how you go and access, just in case if you are not able to access. And many people who have dual apps who are not very knowledgeable about this have this problem. You can see here the one download from the dual app section resides inside the download folder, but inside the storage for dual apps partition. So this is how the partitions are separated, and this is why sometimes you feel that your phone is occupying so many space, but you don't know where to go and clear for it. So as you can see, I have shown you already. I will open Mulch app here, press and hold. I will go to the app section, and if you want to clear the cache or storage, you can go to the storage section. Either you tap on clear data, and either you can clear cache or manage space. It gives you all those options here, or you can clear all data at once. And as usual for dual apps, I will press and hold. So you have the option here. So this is how you will manage dual apps here. It is very handy because you won't get the same app experience in another app, even though they are similar. Like I said, considering Mulch is a Chrome-based browser, and you use it for work purpose, and when you want to for private or personal use, you go to, you find another browser like Chrome, or you download Firefox for that matter, but you don't get the experience like you get in Chrome. So this is the reason you use dual apps, and this is where they come in handy. So that's it. And in case if you want to delete the dual apps section, what you can do is, I will show you. Press and hold the one we have created. I'm going to remove it. It says on the bottom right, you can see there is a section, there is an icon to the right of uninstall, says clear data. I will clear the cache, and then it says manage space. I will clear all data on the bottom, because Google storage has been comes has many sections here, not unlike the other apps where you have all app data under one section. So I'm clearing all the data here. So there's nothing left. You can see here the user data has been cleared now. Only the app data is present. You can either click uninstall here, or you can go to the dual app section and tap the radio icon. You can see here the radio button. That is the one that you slide. I'm typing it. It says uninstall dual app. Uninstall dual app will remove all app data. It is always preferable to clear your app data by yourself rather than coming here and uninstalling, because that is more secure, as it erases all the data, confidential data or anything like that, even though it is not removable sometimes by using here the option available here. Okay, now the app has been uninstalled successfully, and if I'm going to the right, so the app has been removed, and if I'm going to the settings, and if I'm going to manage apps, and if I'm going to type mulch, see, there is only one app available here. The secondary app created from the primary app is not available. Whereas for Firefox, we have two apps here. One is the primary one, and the secondary one is the one created from the primary app. You can see here the dual app icons have that bottom left corner. You have that yellow symbol, yellow dot or something like that, and that's it. I hope you find it useful. So just in case you find it useful, please give a like, comment, and leave a thanks if possible, and do subscribe to my channel to support me and help others so that they can make use of this video, as YouTube algorithm suggests the more the number of people likes and subscribers, and then you can share it with your friends as usual, as it will be handy for all. Thanks again.